How to activate Royal Bank of Scotland card. The Royal Bank of Scotland (RBS) is a leading UK bank that provides retail and commercial services, including bank accounts, mortgages, loans, and savings, to individuals and small to medium-sized businesses. First, go to Google and search Royal Bank of Scotland and sign into your account. Once you log into this site, click on this three-dot option. Click the credit cards option from the top bar. Then tap on Activate My Card from here. Now, let's activate your credit card. To get started, enter your 16-digit credit card number. After entering the number, click to start activation. That's how you can activate Royal Bank of Scotland card. That's it. Thanks for watching.